Creating a fake rock can be a fun, straightforward project for landscaping or decor. Start by using a cardboard box or polystyrene foam as the base, shaping it to look less box-like by rounding the edges and making indentations. For the rock's texture, tear newspaper into strips and make a papier-mâché paste with equal parts water and white glue. Dip the strips in the paste and cover the box with at least 2 layers, allowing it to dry for 24 hours. For added texture, crumple newspaper into wads and apply them over the base, followed by 2 additional layers of newspaper strips. Once everything is dry, spray paint the rock starting with a dark base color and then add lighter shades for depth and realism. This method will give you a convincing faux rock that's perfect for any project.